My God, good morning. Oh, Monday morning. Have a blessed Monday to everyone. How's your how's your no no. Careful. Thank you for watching. Just wake up. Kagigising ko lang. Ay, kakagising ko lang. Ah. Hi, Sexy Plays. Hello, good morning. Where are you from? Taga saan ka? Ay, oh my God, thank you. Sexy Plays. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sexy Plays. How are ya? Oh my God. Just wake up. Cause you are mine. Thank you so much. Where are you from? Hi, Simon. Good morning, Simon. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes. Morning gift. you you remember I'm from USA. Ah, okay. Thank you from USA 60 place. Sorry, I forgot. Sorry. Hello, Christopher. Bicol. Hello, do you have people? Yes, I have people. My people is on my bio. Thank you so much. Yeah, I have people. You can send a gift via PayPal. Gcash. Thank you. Thank you so much. Play music. I avoid the free music for copyright. Thank you. Mayong buntag, hello, and TV. Can we, no, huh? What? Sita Deb, Sita Deb 2002. When of change. Move your hair behind for a free tip. That's it. Hello, Golden. Welcome here. Welcome back here. Stand up, Simon. Dwayne channel. Hi, Dwayne. You want to dance? You want me to dance? My God. Low energy because not yet breakfast. That's all. That's all. There she. Thank you for watching. 18 million dollar. I 18 million here. Dance. I don't know. Baby Shark. Dance. Christopher. Lennon camera. Oh my gulay. Cheryl. Oh my gulay. There she go again. Super chat. Super chat, please. Da-da-da. Ronaldo Franco. Thank you so much. 21 people in the house. You know nothing is free in this world. Ah, okay. So I free. I give free to dance. I lost my like. Thank you. Stand up. You are beautiful. Okay. Super shot. Golden said. Bar two. Thank you, Golden. If I wasn't married, I'd visit you. Doc Maya. Thank you, Doctor Doc Maya. Makay. Ano Maya? Makay. Mm-mm. Yes, super beautiful. That's Gizini. Gizini. This well. Yeah, Golan. Frieza. I was thinking the same. Nothing is this. Okay. Next time I can do that. Doc Makay. Thank you, Doc. Lul. I'm 40 years old. Doc. 40. Batang-bata. Batang-bata. Batang-bata pa para senior. Play YouTube with Play YouTube when of change. No. I can sing. The wind of the wind out meaning in there. It will pass you go. I sure think we need more to get. Okay. Good morning, beautiful girl. Ni Manic. Hi, ni Manic. Thank you, 9 people in the house. Ah, no, 32. Compared to $100 tip. $100 tip. What should I do? Sita Dib. Sita Dib. I need money, so $100,000, please. Sita Deb. H. What? You look super. I look super good. 40. Hindi pa expired. Pa-expired na. Dokmaka Pa-expired na. Red ruban in your hair. Ruban? No ruban. Only free is the music. That goes in Sheryl Home head, yeah. It's better. Christopher the Conic is better. Red Robin is there. Hello, Leather Red. Hi, Matthew. Sir Matthew, thank you for joining. What's up, Cheryl? Hi, good Dre. I'm giving the tip. Why everyone watch Do the Pay? Okay, yes, thank you. Thank you, Sita Dev, for the gift. Like number 11. Thank you. Thank you, Matthew. Blue team here. Blue team. It's alright. My gulay. Morning. Early, ano, what time here? Oh, 6:41 in the morning. I have a dance there. Okay, what did I? Yes, what should I dance? Okay, I will try. Blue team. Blue team. Wanna accept? Okay, I will try. What? Uh, what is that? 4278. Where from? I'm from Philippines. Piyosha Chariwa. Can I go extreme if you permit? What extreme? What extreme? Live stream. That's alright. It's okay, at least you ask. You asked the permit. What is that? Could you get my name? Piyosha Chariwa. Hola Hermosa Alfonso Veloz. I would like to pass it on to Golden Prison. Huh? Why? Why you pass it to him? Why you pass it? I would like to pass it to. Why? Golden, please, Golden, leave it there. What? What is that? Golden, what is that, Golden? Sita Deb, what is that? It's alright, dancing in the moonlight. Mm. A dare. What is a dare? What's a dare? Lolo Miga. Meiji flags. Meiji flags. Meiji flag. Either is like making you do something. Yeah. What is that? Oh, what should I do? You're meant to be mods. I cannot watch the sorry Cheryl by. You're meant to be mods. What? What do you mean, Matthew? You're meant to be mods. I cannot watch this. Sorry, sure. Bye bye. Okay. Oh. Hi. Thank you, Renelle. Thank you so much. Hi, Michelle. Thank you for a trial and true smile. Thank you so much. Mm, thanks a lot. Thank you, Chanel. I know this harsh, but not impossible. What is that? Tell me. If you're wearing it, huh? Take me out, blue, please. Why? Why? Why, Matthew? Okay. Okay. Why? What happened? You have a nice smile. Thank you. Thank you, pal. There's nothing going on. Just listen, please. Bye. Okay. Thank you, Matthew. Bye bye. Thank you for joining here. I know she was not prepared for that. Ah, she's not. I'm not prepared. Oh, what is that? Is it a Deb? Is it a Deb? She can pick and choose if she want to do. Mm. Good morning, mom. Hi, Jimber. Sir Kovich. What time is it over there? Time here is what time here? 6:46. 6:46 here. Hi, Circoveg. Good morning. What? No, no comments, brother. It's alright. Early morning then. Yeah, early morning here. How are you? I'm fine, Circoveg. 16 likes. Wow. Push up 20. Oh my god. Or 20 jumping jacks would sound with good sound. 20 jumping jacks. 20 Matthew. Hi baby, what are you doing today? We need more like chat. Thank you, friend. What's the no, I can't do push-ups 20 times or 20 jumping jacks. Okay, I'm jumping jacks. What jumping jacks? What is jumping? Jumping jacks like I can't. Sorry. I one. Would like good sounds. Winnie, thank you, friend. Matthew, thank you always. Thank you always for good friends here. Hope you nothing wrong about. Thank you, Matthew. Is that your son? Yes, that's my son. My only cool ino. She is crazy. No jumping jack. So, red elastic and your hair. Thank you. Always just hit that like and if you can, little of this. Thank you, Ronel. Thank you so much, Ronel. It's alright. Thank you, Ronel. Thank you, trying sister. I need to go anyway. Sending you the tape. Check your PayPal. See you bye. Oh, thank you, Sita Dev. See you later. See you later. It's alright. It's better in your hair. Hair. It's better in you. Thank you, Sita Dev 2002. It's alright. 41 people in the house. Hi. Mm, 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 We have a Christmas party later afternoon here because Zumba mommy is here. Zumba dance mommy is here. 36 people in the house. Girdle. It's alright. 42, 32 people. It's alright, dancing in the moonlight. Gordo, breaking into the lovers of jam. Sometimes we getting good in the sun. You can believe it. 33 people in the house. Thank you for the likes. Picking a robin in your hair. Sitting out, full of lovers are Turtle people. It's better in your hair and no sleep. No. Might need a nap. I'm just wake up. Just wake up. To the lovers or friends, sometimes we don't get understand. Each one, two, each one, two. My goodness, did Matthew go away? Why? What happened to Matthew? I don't understand why he go away. What happened to him? I don't know. Is it hot there? I think sun is shining. I don't know why. What happened to Matthew? You Filipina? Yes, I am Filipina. Alfonso Avalos. Wala kasi ako asawa. Boy, napa. Gawin mo mag-isa. Pakialam ko sa iyo. And flex. Gawin mo yung mag-isa. Magsarili ka. Huwag dito. Are you Asian, Miss Sheryl? Yes. I'm an Asian. I'm from Philippines. Mr. Cariñoso, my gosh. Cariñoso. Luis Coronado. Elton Tellers. Hi, Elton. Eliton Tellers. 34 people in the house. Just picking up to lovers and friends. Sometimes we I don't know what happened to Mateo. Mateo! Guillermo Weber. Paula Linda. A new subscriber from Riverside, West Virginia, California. Quezon Province. Philippines. Nakastrip. Thank you. Cheryl, say good morning in your language, not Tagalog. May marhay na aga sa ato intiro. Good morning, everyone. Marhay na aga sa ato intiro, gabas. Thank you so much. Are you dancing today? Yeah, I'm going to Zumba today. Afternoon. Good morning, Jimmy Moore. Delta Lagara. Good morning, Papa New Jenny. Sometimes we didn't good understand. Thank you, 29 people in the house. Joao Femino Alves feel Gab, paano? Kaya napipinit ako. Gab. Sound almost the same, just different dialect. How are you doing today, Ma? Today, we're having a Christmas party with the Zumba Mamis here. Dialect. Sounds almost the same. Yeah. Like marhay na aga sa ato intil gabas. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone, but a lot so many words. Edge 1979 ml. That 30 people in the house. Thank you so much. First 7. Good morning, Christopher. Stand up. Paulo got here. Good morning, Paulo. I love to dance. That's why it's my workout. I work out every day for dancing. So that's why you see me like flexing body. Move your body. Move your body, even the little. You need to move your body. Tap, tap, yeah. 26 people. 26 likes. Thanks a lot. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka at sa habang dancing queen. Dancing queen. No breakfast. Not yet breakfast. Oh my god. No food. Starve. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. So baby, this way. What is your province, Miss Sheryl? Bicol province. Oh, I don't have jowa anymore. What? Good drag. Kaya nakapatong dito eh. Oo. Ay. Dito ka natin. Sige. Kapag diri ina nakapir na, pag diri kayo sa lang. Pero ikaw yung katambuhay ko nito. Pero ano rin dito, diri kayo. Ang saan na yan? Nasa part na rin. Ano na, hindi ka rin. Tama, ang sa bagyo. Oo. Oo, hindi ka man natin. Sino nagsira ko? Hindi yan. Papapirmahan mo na lang. Yan ko nini. Oo, niyan. Alam ko pa na. Alam mo. Ano mo lang yun sa ano? Lang dahil. Hindi na lang agad. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ano ko, Brem? Saan yung kalupa na? Kalupa na. My brother. She's my brother. Ano, brother? Why you don't have yoga? What? I would like to know what you be watching sometimes. This is my brother. He's my brother. My favorite Filipino TV Grand 1919. Kuya Dre, what happened? When do work? Thank you so much, surgical people in the house. God bless. 27 likes. He looks tough as nails. Yeah. He works. He works hard for his family, my brother. Assalamualaikum, Rodo Fahar. Assalamualaikum, Rodo. Oscar. What is your name? My name is Sheryl. My name is Sheryl. 38 people in the house. Hey, beautiful. Hi, Charles. Your brother, a big guy. Yeah, big guy. No, sister. My brother is a big guy. To move the body because to stay healthy. Exercise. Even just a little itself. Upside down, I always dance, sorry. It's my habit. Yes. Tigran. Red rubber in your hand. So around. What place is this? My home. Unfair Harbor. Unfair Harbor. Thank you so much for joining everyone. 41 people in the house. Thank you. Jealous and Tampo Tampo. So I mingle again. Oh my god, the celos. And the Tampo Tampo. No celos. No Tampo Tampo. I understand your jowa, kuya. Because I'm like that. I'm always jealous and Tampo. Please, Relen, you here. Okay. Oh my god, Tigran, thank you so much for the gift. Oh my god, thank you. For the bicep flex. Thank you. My god. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Oh my god. Thank you so much. The gift. No tampo tampo. Stand up. I already did. Thanks a lot for the gift for me. Thanks so much for the gift. Thanks. Telegram, thank you from Ranel. Thank you, Ranel. What's tampo? Tampo means. Kuya Dre, can you explain the tampo? I don't know how to explain the tampo because it's better. Tampo is thanks for showing up the fitness with flex. Thank you, Tyrant. Okay, do you speak Tagalog? Yes, I can speak Tagalog. That golden tampo means like I feel I feel jealous or yeah, I feel mad at someone like my boyfriend or my loved ones. I don't want to talk to him. I don't want to talk to them. I ignore. I I distance myself. That's a tampo. Hi, beautiful eyes. We're the girl with the ears. Thank you so much for the gifts. It's getting to Thank you so much. How did you guys even a little movement help like this, mm, even this, even 20 minutes you can do this. Oh my god, even you're sweating because of the exercise of your body. What's Thank you so much. She does cute to pray to take it. Have school today. No school today. Yeah. One more. Yes. Can yes, more. Hi Kiddo. Hi Kiddo. Tampo is a form of being mad but they won't speak or talk for weeks or days. Yeah. So tampo. Ignore, distance. Oh my god. We always tampo. Okay. Tampo, tampo. I'm going to use that word when I'm mad then. Ah, okay. I'm making, yes, I'm tampo na. One more bicep flex like this. Okay. I have a just a so mm. Even just small I have a muscle. That's alright. Some Sorry, Myanmar. New friends, subscribe. Thank you for the subscribes, guys. If someone asks me why I'm not taking any tempo, at least that right? Yeah, you make, yeah, something like that. Turn around, let me see. Wow, wow, model leader. Kisine, golden, no way, bro, just let him tempo. It will go away. Don't say anything makes things worse. Yeah, yeah, that's right. Support, moderate, local fans. Geraldo, I'm from Brazil. Hello. It's alright. Wow, thank you so much, Tigrant. Wow, thank you. Why you want to flex this? Why you like the muscle? Why you like this? I'm still strong even I'm older. I'm old. I'm stay strong, don't worry, Tigrant. It's alright. Thank you, 45 people in the house. Thanks so much. Oh my god. It's alright. Wait lang. Don't go, guys. I come back. I need to cook food for my father. He felt angry. I angry. Hungry, my goodness. He felt angry now. Wait, you guys. My gulay. He felt sick. That's why I need to cook for Thank you so much. Go. Are you in trouble? No, for not cooking. I just cook for my father. Did you know his three kids? What's three kids? Oh my god. What is that? How did all you? I'm 40 years old. 40. 40. I'm just sharing who I am. Golden, when she's starting talking, oh, have Jollibee, then you start feeding her things, will be okay. Yeah, you keep saying that you look 30. Oh my god, I'm 40. I'm turning 41. You look very young. I'm turning 41 this coming February. Not in 41, it's coming February. Ah, yeah, wow, I thought you were only about 25 years old. I'm 40. I'm old now. Please be respectful to the host of this channel. Abide by community guidelines. Ah, thank you so much, Ronel. Thank you, Ronel. Someday, someone's gonna love me. Baby, I hope that you can love me. Someday, someday, I don't ever see my way. She look like she always going to look. What? You're joking, Golden. What for breakfast? I'm just making what do you call this? Lugaw in Tagalog. I don't know how to say this in English. Sometimes we didn't get understand. Sure, what's your favorite jolly meal? My favorite jolly meal is spaghetti with fried chicken. Fried chicken and spaghetti. My favorite jolly meal. And yummy burger. The burger. Mini. Three. Fried chicken, spaghetti, and burger. French fries. A lot. You are chicken girl. Yep, yep. I want to buy something outside. I just buy that. Sorry, waiting for what is. Do you ever cook bamboo shoots, Cheryl, with chicken adobo? Yeah, the bamboo. You cook. You cook on bamboo. Does Jollibee work on your tampo at your jowa? Yeah. Jollibee work for me. With tampo. I know. Yeah, it works. Jollibee, it works. So if your jowa tampo, give her Jollibee or a piece of money. Give her money and he don't make you tampo, and she don't make you tampo. Peace offering. Jollibee and money. You will said go shopping for shopping. may chakra. Good morning! Maano? Ah, I tried the chicken joy. She said she will chicken joy myself. Chicken joy. Oh my god. Chicken joy fits. Maghali. Ha? Tataban.
Wala pa magpatanim sa maliiling. Ano yan? Oo. Wala pa man? Wala pa naman ata.
Oh my God, thank you, Ronel. Thank you so much for the gifts. God bless. Thank you, Ronel. Thanks a lot. She just takes me this. Oh my God. It's a real talk for Filipina. Kuya Dre. God bless, Pastor Ronel. Thank you so much for the gifts. God bless you more. Thank you. Kuya Dre, it's legit. Filipina like that. Meeting tampo. Tampo. Oh my God. Filipina. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Oh my God. it for my father. He like this. Hi, good morning. Come here. Come here. Good morning. Come here, Papa. What are you cooking? Fish with vegetables. Look, this is the fish for my father. Hey, fish. I asked why bowling. If the Filipino make tampo tampo, it's just like that. But after tampo, she was so sweet, lovable, beautiful woman. When she tampo, she looks like a monster, getting mad, ugly. Yeah. Banhar. Thank you, Banhar. Guys, please like, subscribe, support, share. Thank you, Banhar. Ciao, then the Marshall. Ciao. Look. Wow. You're welcome there. She bully sometimes. Yeah, she bully. Not sometimes, always. When she tampo, she always bully. When she tampo, she always bully. Expect that to the Filipino. Almost looks like aswang rolling her eyes. So mean for a living bully. for a li- for a living bully. My God, the bully. Wait a minute. What the heck? Donnie, welcome. Hello, beautiful Cheryl. Hi, Donnie. Hello, Donnie. Speaking out. 1-7 na. Mga 1-7 na.
1-7. Russia?
Yan?
Yan?
Yan lang.
Ito ba?
Oo.
Sana ako na. Yung super chat man ako. Yan to ay sa mga kita.
Matyaga ka talaga muna. Cheryl, you jowa, Filipino or foreign? Foreign. Jowa. I like foreigner. I want foreigner. Why? I want foreigner. Because if I tampo, he will buy me a Jollibee. Hi, Simon. Hash nanny. Hash nanny. Hash nanny. Hash nanny, hello. Breaking into lovers or friends. Sometimes didn't quite understand. You can never get out. And you see, and you know happiness. Life goes on, boy. So baby, oh my God. Sa ilang kagagaan, kagagaan. Wait. That's right. Oh my god. Wait, damn. Wait, guys. I need. Sorry, wait. Where's going? What happened there? Harbor around Bragg's amazing too. Oh my goodness. I'm still going to marry a Filipino woman. Okay, Ben-Har. Hak hak. Thank you, guys. Is that my stepdaughter? Is so adorable. Stepdaughter? You can't move him. Yeah, I can't move him. I can't move. Thank you, Ben. Double tap screen. Thank you. You take care of them. Oh, you want foreigner? What nationality foreigner? American, something like that. Oh, if I was there, ask Papa for bless. Yeah, you fed the whole family. Yeah, Golden, thank you. Oh, this grants. Oh, he's so tall. Oh, him. Oh, him. My father and here with my brother. I want to marry a Filipino woman. Wow. Good luck, Banhar. Ito, Seraro. Ito, sa ikaturin. Behind you. Ah, my brother. He's my brother. My brother.
Wato na yun sa diwa.
Ha?
Wato na.
Oo. Parang mawala yung nagtagal ah. May nagtagal nga. Ito ba? Ah. Ay, kapag... Pag una, kumakudaton, min. He tall. Yeah, he tall. He tall as hell. Yeah, he tall. You Good job. Are you the only cook? No, but if I hear, I need I cook. I need to cook. I bet she steps traffic when she wears heels or stand. Yeah, tiptoes, tiptoes. Tigrant. I only see cook in the house. Ah, because when I'm doing live, I'm doing live. Oh, yes. That's the true story. That's the true. Ah, okay. That's the true story. Ah, yes, that's true. It's true. You're right. Let's see. Pangarap ko ang bigin ka. Sorry. Come, let's drink coffee. It's coffee. Ask Kuya if I can borrow his motor. Road trip to the mom. Skirt tour. I think I'm older than him, so it's not my Kuya. I because I'm older than him. He's younger than me. Like the camera work. He's 32 people in the house. Thank you so much. 37 likes. Oh, wow. Wow. Guys, please like and share. Thank you, Banhart. So, 32 people. Super chat, super sticker, and membership are also available. Thank you, Banhart, the Vargas. Thank you so much. Thank you po. 27 people. Kuya Gab, mag-ano ka na muna? Tama na muna yun. Mamahaw ka na muna. Ako na yun.
Ako na?
Oo, dito sa
Sa?
sa Baduan. Sabi ko sa imo hanapon. You make food but you don't eat yourself. I will eat, son. I will eat. Temple na siya. Temple na siya. Thank you, Gavin. So, okay. A to what the word of younger brother. Yeah, I'm Ati. I'm Ati of my younger brother. I'm his Ati. Kada kuya tabi ito na ano mo kay parong kanila. Ano siya ba? Ada no ang kudan. I'm his ate. Come on, let's coffee. Let's drink coffee. How many brothers and sisters you have? I have 4 sisters and 4 brothers. One is in Taiwan, working in Taiwan, and the 3 living here in Bicol. One is a little far here, and the 2 is my like a neighbor, very far, just few steps from home. And my brother, 2 brothers in Manila, and two here in Bicol. That good number. We ano, mini counts of ano, family. There's Cheryl as your daughter on school. No, I have no daughter. I have only one kid and it's a boy, son. Hello, lovely. Hi, Joey. Thank you for joining here again, Joey. Thank you for the likes, guys. What are you doing? Night there and then 26 people in the house. How is your day going? After afternoon here, we having a Christmas party with Zumba mummies, Zumba dance mummy here. Party is party. Christmas party. Anwar. Hello, Anwar. It's going to be dancing and singing. Yes, the dancing. I always dance. I love dancing. 32 people in the house. That's not nice, so annoying a call. She's my batchmate. She invited me to going to the beach with my batchmates, but I don't know if I'm going. That's why I didn't call because if answer the call, oh my god, I'm going live. She invited me, my batchmates. She invited me to going to the beach with batchmates. Okay, Mom Cheryl, I'm off the live. Take care. God bless. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Thank you so much for joining here, Kuya Dre. God bless. Thank you for joining. Take care. There, Cheryl. Was your father in the hospital a few days ago? Yeah. My father in the hospital a few days ago. That's why. He still feels sick. Hola, hi. Hola, hi. Hello. Is he getting better? Uh, I hope he will getting better. He fell sick. He can't move his body because he have an arthritis. He felt pain. He felt hurt. pain when he moved his leg. Arenulocutor. Hola hi. Hola hi.
Look, look.
Thank you so much for the 8 people. Ako ko rin kaya gab. Saglit. Diri ito. I need to give you my WhatsApp but not on here. My number on it's on my my GCash number, same number. Ay wait lang.
Rizal Vigil.
Oh, thanks so much.
Ay, mga kaya. Next. 38 views.
Taran Grant, Ty Grant, can you show the back of your legs while stand tiptoes? Why? If you have a tip, another tip, so dum dum dum, so Tiptoes.
Babang, come here, Babang. Ay, si Mama. Nagaya si Mama.
Olin does. Hi, okay. I will message you shortly. Okay. Oh my god, my eyes. Oh, bye bye, mom. Bye bye. Bye. Thank you for coming. Thank you, Kuya Jay. Thank you so much. All in that. Oh my god. Amazing calls, things. Amazing calls, things. Amazing calls. Mm, 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 mm. To the light, to the color of my paradise. Really, it can be too much, so much. Oh, love me like you do. Love me like you do. Sa liwawa, love me like you do. Oh, love me like you do. Love me like you do. Oh, love me like you do. What are you waiting for? Come here, Babang! Babang! Oh, flying kiss. Kawato na stock. Ay, naginom. Si Andanger. Si Andang. Pag ganyan ba, may paganyan-ganyan. Andang. Hanap ka ba kayo? Andang daw. Andang. Andang. Yak. Andang. Once I was moderating another channel and guy said that to the host, so I deleted it. But I picking on her. His garden is not is letter garden. You the man. Quiet Ray. You're going to wash that pant now. Okay. It's a natural smell, you know, especially when you go up and down on tiptoes. We seen that meme show. Hope you got them out. Thank you, Kuya Jay. Thank you, guys. Jump on kapag ako ang magmahal, ang lahat ng ito'y magagawa. Handa akong kapag ako ikagaya. Ang lahat oh my Good morning. Did you make is there any coffee? Good morning, Rick. Coffee. That's coffee, guys. You have abs too. Abs? No abs. No abs. No abs. Bell bell. Aking mahal, kasaging ibigin, paalam na. Aking mahal, kasaging ibigin, kahit nagmamahalan pa. Puso't isipang magkaiba, marahil di na sasaktan. Alam mo, aking It's too late. It's too late to apologize. It's too late. It's too late. It's too late. It's too late to apologize. It's too late. It's too late. It's too late. It's too late. It's too late.
Papakain ka. Mabalik ka tulos? Mabalik ka tulos? Ano yung glucid na malayo? Ha? Mary Jane o Mary Rose? Kaya, ang basaan mo na ilitoy? Mary Rose? Sabi ni Jake? Ah, okay. Sabi mo daw, sabi mo, hindi sila po rin ng ano, kung ano yan. Hindi rin magkagilid ko pa. Wala po.
He must have my sister. She's kind of like
Chat mo, sabihan mo, diri man. Alugmon niya. Kay anaagihan na ako ito may sura. Kaya kasulugan ng mga bata.
naka-live ako. Saan? Sa akin nagbutang sila.
Hindi sa agi ng mga bata.
Sino nagbutang?
Si Ricky, inunod ko niya pa.
Sino Ricky?
Asawa ni Biba. Ang asawa ni Biba, nagburutang ng suraan, layho niya. Kaya narurubak ko no. Ang mga bata, kung minsan nag-aagi dito, hindi ko napasara. Kaya narurubak ko niya.
Ipachat mo ka na lang. Hindi ang naka-live ako. The back view of when you go up and down on Tiptosa. Akin nagbubutang sura. Ba't may sura?
Sabi ko, mamalito yung mga bata ako, ano sa lang, pinag-aagi sa nito. Sabi ka naman ito naman. Bawal ko lang. Bakit yung isang, saka na yan. Magpagalo na yung sarili. Tapos ito na mismo, tinurong kasi siya. Kaya ako naman sabi ko, dapat, pagisukan niyo na. Ako ka magsunak-sura. Ay, dire. Tingnan mo ba ang layo ko? Ito, hindi man yung kahit na dapat na. Pagisukan mo. Dapat mo. Hindi na makusunod. Ay, may mga first open bagay sabi ko sa kanila. Hindi ko sa dapat. Pagisukan mo. Nadiri mo. Kasi nagsabi ko sa mga lalabay dito sa example, yung pinag-aag. Pagkalagahan mo dito sa layo. Ay pagsulo ng pero terminal ka. Ano mo? Ang daan ka. Ay kumakaroon sa sarili.
Bunso, kaya na nakakagaya dito. Dili, ang pamitan ko. Sabi mo na naman isa. Tapos dili mo na ito.
Kay diri ko na isip yung bibisay nito. Kay marita na. Kay
Ay, kung mapapasa kaya dayon. Ito na si Manay sila. Nakaliligo ako. She's my sister. Oh my god, having a lot of family problem always. Forty-seven likes. Thank you so much. You, me, having family problems. Yeah, always having family problems. Oh my god. You all have that sometimes, yeah. Sometimes we all that. Sometimes we. Okay, I don't understand that.
Hindi mo na yung dito. It's not like ready na sa kita diya. Pero ito ito.
I won't stress about that, yeah. Oh my yes, no need to stress. No need to stress. Matter. Hi, matter. Matter. Do you like fraud message? Thank you, Mark. Di ba't sabi mo, idong mo ay bango? Mark! Hi, Mark! Thank you for joining, Mark. Welcome back, Mark. Oh, thank you so much. If I fly to Philippines, can I? Oh my God, massage! I can massage my own feet. I'm not paralyzed. I can do. I can take care of myself. I miss Lady. Hi, Mark. Hi, Sir Mark. How are you, Mark? Good morning, John. Good morning. Thank you. My God. Thank you so much for joining. Mm, love.
Tapos, ano, ayan,
I want you to stay. Never go. What's on your mind? What's on my mind? A lot of mind. A lot of on her my mind. Many. So many. Oh my god po. What's happening? Nothing. Just or normal. Normal that family having problems always. I think it's normal. How are you, Mark? How are you, Mark po? What are you doing po? What size your feet? My the size is 5.5. You want to buy me a shoes, Mother? Why are you asking me what the size of my feet? It's 5.5. They are as maybe yeah. Uh, after afternoon we having a Christmas party. Zumba dance mommy's here. Thank you, 25 people in the house. Thanks so much. 49 likes. Okay, I can buy your shoes. Thank you. What kind of shoes? Rubber shoes, sneakers. Enjoy. Thank you, John. Never gonna let him get. The weather gonna be cold here tomorrow. Where sister lives, it's gonna be 9 tomorrow. Health. Having a health. Okay. I accept your gift. Thank you for the gift. You sell shoes. Yeah, I can. Maybe I need to. I need to buy and sell. It's a good. It's a good source. A source of income. Good job. Mhm. 24 people in the house. Can I see? Oh my god. You want to see the feet? The feet. Oh, look the feet. Oh, I want to see my feet. Wait. That's my feet. Feet. Imok-mok po ikaw doon sa feet. Super chat. Super chat. Why you giving it for free? Sorry. Oh my god, I forgot. Golden. Golden, I forgot. My god. Is he a podiarist? What means podiarist? This woman. What means podiarist, John? Very beautiful. I don't understand the podiarist. I love the fit. Foot foot doctor. Foot doctor. That's why the podiarist. the Padres. Shows you maybe he may be my foot is not. Can you show the soles? What the soles? What soles? Oh, thank you. What soles? What is that? Sorry if I don't understand. I'm just reading the comments. Super chat area. Bottom of it. You can super chat. Some super chat. My friend say. Nan. Ben Hard of Burgers. Never gonna let go. Hello, hello. You keep asking, but you won't see money. Yeah. Yeah, no. Why? No. Hello, hello, Sabala. You from? I'm from Philippines. Es Zolar Sona. Hello again, pal. And if you really love me. Tidak sabi mo, ilong mo ay pango.
Pango bawal yan.
Tidak sabi mo, ilong mo ay pango. Pango. Model 4.
Ilong mo ay pango. Totoo naman.
Tidak sabi mo, ilong mo ay pango.
Wala talaga. Bagay ko dahil. Ilong mo ay pango. Sorry, Papa. Sorry, Papa. Bakit? Ilong mo ay pango. Ilong mo ay pango. Hindi pinakalit.
time.
Ilaw mo ay pangit. Sabi mo,
There's 51 likes. Thanks so much. Lift your foot up. Only if she had a neighbor next to her, this would be even more funny if this so yeah, absolutely, yes. April, hi April, Papa Camellia, bye bye. April, hi April. Thank you so much for joining. Where are you from? William Clark. Hee hee. You sing and dance. What in that white cover? What in that white cover? You from? I'm from Philippines.
di ako dito napatay.
Ako orang Jawa. Ako orang Jawa. What it means, April? What it means, April? Oh my God! Thank you so much. What means MX? Thank you so much. H19. What? Thank you so much. H1979 ml. Thank you so much for $10. What makes $10? Thank you so much. Thank you. Hi, Tony. Mm, thank you so much. My name is Horatio. Ah, that's why. Hi, Horatio. Horatio, thank you.
Aray ko gagi. Ulti pa pala yun.
Orang. Orang. Where are you from? April. Where are you from? You fit made your money while dancing. Your feet made your money while dancing. For the first time, I'm looking in your eyes. For the first time, I see who you are. I can't believe you just said looking back at me. For Godmother, what I don't understand your what I don't understand your words, April. Maybe you can say it in English. When do the dance start?
Oh,
Ah,
aray ko. Dayot.
beautiful people. Thank you so much. Oh my God, 2 hours I'm doing live. What the hell?
Siguro ako mananakal. Malaki. Piniyak ko.
And how was your day been? Uh, good. Have a good day to me here.
First time.
Yes, start the dance again.
Sana pinag-bird mo. Triple kill.
For the first
Maniac.
time, I am looking at a good stay. Yes, Christmas party. Did you get everything for your? Did you get everything for your Christmas party? Did you get? Not yet. I don't know. What? I don't understand. April. April. Dance starts when you send gift, Golden. Yeah. Yeah, I will dance if send a gift. Thank you so much. Live lagi. Live lagi. You are Filipino, April. Are you a Filipino? Live lagi. Yes, I do live lagi. Live lagi. Rumbrags. That not the dance I'm talking about. Your hair looks wet. Did you swimming? No. Did you go swimming? No. Not yet. Ano daw, April? What are you saying? April, April. Before me, April, Mona. April. Good morning. Good morning, Mom. Hi, April. Sounds like a horse. No, it's a pig. That's a pig. Someone's selling the pig. So need to mute because the pig is screaming. Good morning, sister. About watch a movie. Rambrax, thank you, Rambrax. April, April. I don't understand your words, April. Turn bad to K. So there. Hi, Mike. Hello. Yeah.
Lagyan nga ng sancho. Naglaway ito yun na lang yun. Malag, sancho.
Tubig. Tubig.
Wala.
Good ka man na, nabisayong kita. Good ka man na kay Bisayong.
I believe April is Indonesian. Ah, he's Indonesian. Hi, April from Indonesia. Shout out to you. Do you know that in South Africa, eat night? I don't know. You look nice and fresh this morning. Oh, thank you, Mike. Ah. For the first time, I am looking in your eyes. For the first time, I see you are. Where you live? Where you live? I live in Philippines. Nantokozu Sharamavosa.
Manatiling spray yan.
Are you up most of the night? Uh, yeah. But when I'm tired, I sleep early.
Avocado. Ano ka ba?
Huh? Breaking into love. You must be the primary caregiver for your dad. Yes. We love our parents. Yeah, we love our parents. We take care of parents here in the Philippines. We are responsible to take care of them. If I come to Philippines, we can limit.
Ikaw ka na logi.
That is mahal.
Ano sabi ko na yung atake mo na dapat?
Ah.
Wala nag-click yan na.
Hello, Franklin from USA. Nice to meet you, Franklin from USA. Picking up, to love us again. Sometimes we have to understand. Oh, you can never get ahead of us. Hey Frank, how are you doing, man? From Mark. You can never get ahead of us.
Oh, lala.
From you, being a caregiver is very demanding. Yeah,
Lala.
that's right. No need to subscribe me, mother. No need to subscribe me if I stuff like that. No need to do that. Sambat titik sing what? Try to speak English, April. Oh my god.
Pogi! Loni! Ay! Wala.
Aray, atay, atay. Chicken. Bedroom. Yes, April, it's her bedroom. And my room. Uh, Frank, no super chat. I always try to donate with people. Thank you so much. I try always to donate. Thank you. Hope you give us. Donate my people. My people is all my bio. Thank you so much, Franklin. Thank you, Matter. Frank just got a PayPal set up also. Gcash. Gcash is very popular in Philippines. You can use it if you have. What's up? Thank you, guys. Yeah, you can send me. You can send me Gcash or PayPal. It's helped me. It's helped me a lot to buy a laptop, something, and pay the bills. To pay the bills, the food.
Gagi, di pa na-shut down.
No matter what happens, goes on. Yeah, cha, 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 cha. Hi, Matthew. Hi, friend. Thank you for joining here again. Hope you're okay. I'm okay. What happened to you, Matthew? Why? Why? Hope you. How many dogs you have? No, that's not our dog. It's a dog from the neighborhood. No matter what happens, life is what we.
Kakabit pa rin pa pala. Visa na. Ay,
Why I just don't want to be fluent? Why? What happened, Matthew? Why you don't want? I'm humble man. I didn't like the lucid too. Why? What happened?
alright. Never.
Dogs are great for making you happy. I'm humble man. I didn't like the blue. What happens? Life is on and on. So, baby, just beautiful like this for you and me. Nice color.
Naglalak dito.
Wait, wait.
Wag ka muna magsalita. Sino ko pinagugusin na? Sandali out. Sino ba hayaan!
I miss my dog. You miss your dog. Yes, dogs feel when you're upset and sad too. Really? Although when I'm speaking up outside, there's a storm coming. Dogs give unconditional love. Yeah, the mother. Yeah, the unconditional. Oh my God. Hi, can you say hi to me? Hi, Emma Jane Hallahan. Hi to you, Emma Jane Hallahan. She passed away 2 years ago. Oh, sorry. So sad. Matthew, no, I live in Arkansas. I want to go to the Philippines, though I just can't figure out when I want to go yet. Okay. Welcome to the Philippines, Mark. So many choices. So many choices. Hi, Emma Jean Halahan. Hi, thank you for joining. Madudot tabi dito ano ni mamay. An irog suon. Damong ko. Everything is beautiful in the Philippines, right? I think, right? Ivan Philippines are as victim as I was a blue bat. Zug blues are just round. I see why I asked to take me off blue. Why? Why happened? I don't understand, Matthew. Huda mong kung ani. Dara. Ah, okay, see. Sorry for your loss. Lost mine a year ago and adopted 6-year-old bit overweight who need to get out his weight. Wow. Smaze me. Smaze me. Thank you for joining Smaze me. The will of the wind. Fulfilling and damn. But best you're going steadily. Loneliness must be friends several. The well of the wind is feeling the purpose you're going steady. Feeling steady. Let's get a little. We must be friends, still will still be. My people dance to food. Oh my god, everything. Oh my god, thank you, Frank. Thank you so much, Frank. Thank you, Franklin. Thank you for the no, my god. Thank you for the gift. Thank you for the gift, Frank. The well of the wind is feeling in them. It will pass you going steady. Suddenly knows we must be friends. The way still. Thank you so much. God bless you guys. So many. Matthew, I've been Philippines. Respect. What? Where I'm now. So beautiful, Ricardo Marrero. Thank you. Thank you so much, Ricardo. Solo Blue was. Ah, okay. Soul of your blue people was proud. From my eyes, you need to pick real friends to be blue. Ah, okay. I think they are the real friends. They're real, I think, maybe. Thank you, Franklin. Thank you so much. Many delicious and wonderful things for you and your beautiful family. Thank you, Ricardo. What? I am friend, but I'm not around all the time to be able to record much. It's okay, it's fine. Because before I'm doing live, you always hear on my live to give a support, make a friends of me here, talk to me here. So I think it's a beginning of the friendship. Matthew, I agree totally. Yeah. Thank you, Mark, from Matthew. I'm still your friend. Remember this. Yeah, thank you, Matthew. I'm still your friend. We're still friends. Thank you, Matthew. All she cares about is getting donation from lonely men and women. Huh? All she cares about is getting donations from lonely men and women. What? Mother? Ricardo Morera from Puerto Rico. It's a great pleasure to be, you know, it's a great pleasure to meet you and get to know you better. Cheryl, what are your hobbies? What do you like to do when you're not here? My hobbies are dancing, working here, and then Zumba dance. I'm always like this. Sing. Even my voice is not good. Mother, you know what? Why I'm here is the reason why I'm here is true. I want to earn money, and that's why I'm doing live in ours to reach the goal for the monetization, not yet monetized. By why they can send the super chat because I unlock the super chat and I reached the goal for unlock the super chat. That's why they can send me the super chat. It doesn't matter if you can help anyone. It's fine. It's good. But if someone helped me by sending the donations, I really appreciate that. I'm not forcing everyone to send me. I'm not begging of that. That's why I'm here. Of course, it's about money. When I do nothing, it's helped me to another's. It helps me even not too much. It helps me because my life is not so easy. So if not busy, I'm here. So that's why I'm not begging for anyone to give me or sending me the donation. I'm not like that. Yes, I want to send me. I want someone to send me or share the someone that gave me money or super chat. But if not, it doesn't matter. It's okay. It's fine. No big deal. The the reason why I'm here. That's for monetization. If I'm making a vlog, I can earn money. If I do live, I can make money because this is my free. It's the job. It's if I have a free time, I can do money. You don't know what life here. The life here is not so easy. So I can even do live. It's working. Turn your R star on YouTube. Thank you, Mark. Oh my God, Mark. Thanks a lot. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Mark. Thanks so much. Tama na, nakikibawal ang bata. Wala. Thanks a lot, Mark. Thank you, my gulay. God bless you, Mark. You're our star on YouTube. Thank you, Matthew. You don't need to explain, Cheryl. Yeah, that's why maybe I want to explain because he said something like that. Matter said what the matter said. All she cares is getting donation from lonely man and woman. Oh my God, why you say that? Just getting donation. But I thank you so much. What blessings. But a happy blessed Monday. Good man, Mark. Thank you, Hegs. Hi, Hegs. You're welcome, Mom. I hope you have a good time here, and I will talk to you in a little while. Thank you so much, Sir Mark. Thank you. Oh my God. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you, 59 likes. Thank you so much after my super chat. God bless you. You made $70 in last 30 minutes, doing better than me in USA. Really? Wow, that's a, maybe you feel jealous. You feel jealous about me because I earn money here. That's why. Thank you so much, 15 people here. 59. Thanks a lot. Bye for now. Bye, Mark. Thank you, Mark, for the gifts. God bless you so much. I've got to go myself. I need to sleep. I get to go friends home in morning, so I will say good morning to you and good night from me, my best friend. Thank you, Matthew. Thank you so much for being a good friend of mine here. I see you there, and I see a beautiful Pocahontas. Pocahontas. Thank you so much. See you soon again. Okay, see you soon, Sir Matthew. Thank you, Matthew. Many blessings always to go. Thank you, Ricardo. Many blessings always. Thanks so much. So, mm, mm, mm. Thank you. God bless us more. I'm back. Hi, Kuya Dre. Welcome back, Kuya Dre. It's great to meet you and text someone from another country. Nice to meet you, Ricardo Morero. It's great to meet you. I can save. If I save, I can. Oh my god, I can save money. Ricardo, thank you so much. Thanks a lot, guys. But my love, I like it so much. Beautiful pencils, seriously. Thank you, Ricardo. Thank you so much for joining here. All these guys, a bunch of loneliness. Oh my god. Mata, you feel so jealous. Your jealousy is so toxic. You're getting toxic because of your jealousy. That's not good attitude. That's not good. Ano. If you want, if you see something getting achievement or what it felt this, you gotta go by a blow up though. Oh my God. What a attitude, mother. I don't like that attitude, mother. Mother has a problem. Let him be toxic. His opinion doesn't matter. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe mother, you are a lonely man and loser. Not people here. Not people. Don't call people here like that. Maybe you are. I swear to you on my entire life that you are and always will be a beautiful and sincere woman. And I know your humility shows, and that's the kind of human I like. Thank you, Ricardo. I swear to you. Why 6 7 two times 60 likes. Thank you so much. 16 people here. God bless. Do you happen to have WhatsApp so I can send you my new number?
February.
Maybe you can send super chat. You card you never even meet her. Wake up. Do you have it or not? In few minutes, I ended the live. Thank you so much for joining here. Thank you so much. 60 likes, guys. Thanks a lot. Oh my god, beautiful. Ano, happy blessed Monday today. Trace the also number and we can communicate one kept taking. Nope, she's taken. I'm just taken, Ricardo. Ricardo, she will not give you Emma wake up. My god. Ta-da-tam. Mm, mm, mm. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Mm, 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 mm. Till a few minutes more. 10 minutes more. Oh my god. Thank you so much. I can't believe 3 hours. 3 hours doing live. Oh my god. Almost. I reached the 3 hours doing live. Yeah, hi. Happy. Thank you. I hope I know motivating for monetize my channel. Thank you so much, my friend here on YouTube. It helps me a lot. Staying the live, it helps me a lot. I am a blue-eyed, light-skinned guy who also loves weights, and I look great. I'm humble, sincere, and honest. And I never miss with anyone, anything, anything for anything, anyone for anything. Oh my god, people don't understand the life, but I understand. I will keep removing the bitch. For now, I don't want to. I don't want bitch for now. Sometimes I like bitch, but now I don't like bitch. Oh my god. No need to unwind for now. No need to unwind for now. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ta-da-dam. So that you know a little more about my life. For now, I don't want to go to the beach. I don't like beach for now. No need to unwind. Just stay at home, relax, clean home, laundry, wash the clothes. Oh my god, thank you, Franklin. Franklin, thank you so much. Oh my god. Thank you, guys. Who can send super chat? Buy grapes for New Year's. Thank you. I will have a for the grapes. Thank you. I will buy grapes, apple. Strawberry, but no strawberry here. Home pears, pears, apple, orange. I have budget now. Thank you guys for sending the gifts. Oh my god. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Franklin. Cheryl, the way you pronounce bitch is a cuss word in the US. Ah, really? Bitch. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. I will buy the bitch. I will buy the grapes. The grapes. Grapes, apple, orange, and then what else? Spaghetti, cake, buy cakes, and what else? The cakes, the cakes, steak, so many. Opo. Ah, okay po. It's a cause. What cause means? What cause? Thank you so much. Leandro Porto. Hey, Leandro. Thank you. Thank you so much. You and I. Curious about curious how much you made in 3 hours from this pathetic people. Oh my god. You know what, Mara? They are not pathetic. It's you, the pathetic person. My god. Bad word. Ah, bad word, the bitch. Oh, sorry. Thank you, Kuya. Ah, the bad word. So I don't. Maybe the no, the pronouns. The bitch. Thanks a lot. You are beautiful. Remove the batch message again. Okay. Sometimes I love the beach, but sometimes no. And when the beach, and when to go to the beach. Oh my god, Franklin, thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Ah, wow. Thank you, Franklin. Thank you so much. It's like saying bed sheets. Bed sheets. Thank you so much. God bless us, guys. Thank you so much, Franklin, Mr. Mark. Hi, Rick. Thank you. Thank you, Golden. You might as well get a cardboard sign and big. You probably have a large bank account just chatting. Huh? Thank you so much. I send people donation for New Year's under Frank. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Franklin. Oh my God. I will buy for New Year's. New Year's for New Year's. Thank you. Happy New Year's in advance. Thank you so much. Franklin from USA. Thanks a lot. Oh my god. Almost 3 hours alive. I can. Thank you for the gifts, Franklin, Sir Mark. Thank you so much. You Superman. Thanks a lot. 10 people here. Get so much. Oh my god, almost 3 hours. Yeah, thank you so much for the 3 hours live. Well blessed today. Kuya Dre, she is putting down payment on your cars. No, not cars. Maybe scooter. Let your hair down. Ah, yeah, let my hair down. Thank you, Franklin. You and I. Thank you so much. Oh my god. I need to end the live at 3 hours. Thank you for the 3 hours. I get the 3 hours live. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Thank you so much for joining here. Hope see you next live. I reached the 3 hours live now. Thank you so much, guys. Need to see bye because I need to do something. I need to laundry. I need to preparing for ano. Bye. Bye. Thank you so much, guys. 3 hours live. Oh my god. I can't believe. See you one night. Thank you, Sir Frank, Frankland, and Mark. Thank you for someone who sent a gift here. God bless us, guys. Monday blessed. Monday blessed. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you all.